Hello everyone, everything I'm going to explain has been checked and verified by the mechanics here in the shop, so don't worry, we'll go step by step. When your Ram 1500 shows the message Service Anti-Lock Brake System, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. This doesn't mean your regular brakes are out of commission, but it does indicate that the ABS, the system that prevents your wheels from locking during hard braking, isn't working properly. Now, the first suspect, according to the mechanics here, is usually the wheel speed sensor. These tiny sensors tell the computer how your wheels are spinning. If one fails, it sends strange data, and the ABS system automatically deactivates. In many cases, simply cleaning or replacing that sensor makes the message disappear and brings your traction control back to life. If the sensors check out fine, the next step is to inspect wiring and connectors. The harnesses can suffer from vibrations, moisture, or even curious rodents chewing on wires. Sounds crazy, but some mechanics have found that a single frayed wire was cutting off ABS data and keeping the warning light on. Checking and reconnecting the connectors often solves the issue. Another point that many people overlook is the ABS or ESC module software. Some Ram 1500 models have recalls for software issues that can make the ABS or stability control act a little rebellious. Updating or recalibrating the module at the dealership usually clears the message for good, without having to replace expensive parts. There are also cases where the warning comes and goes like a ghost. This almost always indicates a temporary electronic glitch. It can happen after disconnecting the battery, doing maintenance, or driving over rough roads. Turning off the vehicle, waiting a few minutes, and restarting it can sometimes bring everything back to normal. Finally, remember safety. Even though your regular brakes still work, ABS and traction control might not be active while the light is on. That means in an emergency stop or on wet roads, your wheels could lock up and you might lose some control. So even if you can drive, it's best not to leave this problem unchecked for too long.